What is up, everybody? It's Jesse from Island Aesthetics. Thanks for checking back into the channel. Today, I got some really good stuff for you guys. I'm gonna be installing the new professional ceramic coating by Cerakote. It's gonna be going on my personal car, my 2016 Subaru WRX, and it actually already has a coating on it, so it won't be the first rodeo here. This coating is about 3.5 years old, maybe a little more than that. It's had a good life, it serves me really well, but it's got some signs of failure on the top and everything that's facing the sun, and on the very bottom of the car where everything's getting kicked up from the wheels and tires. Rather than try and get myself through the winter with ceramic detail sprays and boosting the coating, I figured what better time than now to polish off the old coating and install this new coating by Cerakote. Now, throughout the video, I'll dive into some of the details about the product itself and the application process, but big credit to Pan the organizer, whose original video actually put me on to most of the information that you guys are gonna hear today. He got invited to visit the Cerakote facility, get a tour, and they provided a lot of context to him about the coating and how it came to fruition. To make a long story short, Cerakote's been around for a long time. They make a wide variety of products for different industries and different applications, but in the car industry, they are one of the largest manufacturers of advanced polymers and ceramic coatings for some other companies who then bottle it and market it and get it to the consumer. But what they've noticed, unfortunately, is a rise in certain companies that dilute things a little bit too much. And so it diminishes the value and the results that we get as the consumer, all in the name of markups and profit margins for them. So Cerakote decided to cut those people out, bottle and ship out their highest performing ceramic coating themselves, and get it directly into the hands of the consumers at factory prices. Now, this isn't going to be a full-on video of how to detail and ceramic coat your vehicle. I'm gonna quickly just run through a rinseless wash on mine, polish it and prep it, and focus mostly on the ceramic coating itself, the application process, and what I'm thinking in real time. Now, keep in mind, this is a brand new product, so there's only so much information out there. Like I said, I'm gonna relay most of what I got from Pan's video, and also give you my real world first impression as a review of the application process and what it feels like. And in the description, I'm gonna post links to this product. And depending on when it gets published, some links may or may not be available. At the time of recording this video, as a professional ceramic coating installer and detailer, I was able to reach out to Cerakote and get a 2-pack of ceramic coating bottles at no charge. For car enthusiasts and everyone else, there is a heavy discount available on the product at the time of this recording, which is the link that I'll post as well. But depending on when this video gets published, if those links aren't available, I'll still post a link to Cerakote's website with some information about the product and where you can purchase this directly if it's something that you want to put on your car. And as always, guys, if you like detailing content like this, if you get any value from the video or just enjoy watching, it would mean the world to me if you hit that thumbs up button and left me a quick comment below, and it means even more if you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Not only will you not miss any of the upcoming videos, but it means a great deal to me as I try and grow my business. So that's it for this introduction. Let me spin the camera around and let's get right into this. To prepare for the new ceramic coating application, start by giving your vehicle a thorough wash. And, if necessary, follow the typical decontamination steps with iron or tar removers and a clay bar to ensure that the paint is fully clean before polishing. Dry only with a towel or forced air. Don't use any spray waxes or drying aids, since we're going straight into the polishing afterwards. Next, polish your vehicle to maximize the shine and minimize defects. Since my WRX has already undergone a paint correction from the last time I installed a coating, the polishing I'm doing here is really to ensure that the old coating is fully removed and not so much to eliminate swirls and scratches. Finally, use an alcohol-based panel prep solution to make sure no traces of polishing residue are left behind. And now we're ready to install the new ceramic coating. The Cerakote Professional Ceramic Coating comes in a 30 milliliter bottle and includes a microfiber applicator. Like all other ceramic coatings, give this one a good shake before starting and prime the applicator by covering all of the fibers equally with a generous amount of coating. Do this only for the initial pass, and as you move from panel to panel, only a few drops are needed to reload the pad. Apply the coating by first boxing out the section and hitting all the edges, then fill in with a crosshatch pattern to ensure the entire section is covered evenly. After 5 minutes, gently level the coating with your first towel and follow up with the second towel to remove the excess and leave behind a beautiful shine. Unlike most coatings, which flash and cause a rainbow appearance similar to an oil slick on water, this coating will start to sweat and form tiny beads as it bonds with the paint. This is the visual indicator that you'll want to look for before wiping the coating off of the vehicle. The removal is incredibly easy and simple. This is far and away the easiest coating that I've ever worked with. In my garage, it was about 65 degrees and 50% humidity during the install, and I did some experimenting with regard to that setup time in between the application and the removal of the coating. This coating is so easy to work with. It's hard to really put it into words, but I think the biggest testament to it is how quickly you can coat a vehicle. One of the things that becomes most time consuming about coating a vehicle, especially in a high grade coating, is that coating tends to flash and harden quick. And so you have to work panel by panel individually, and in some cases, especially on the bigger panels, break something like a door or a hood up into smaller pieces itself. So think about how many times you're grabbing the bottle, coating the applicator, setting it down, putting the cap back on, applying the coating, and then setting that down to pick up a towel, level, wipe, and then restart the process, uncap the bottle, add a little bit more product, so on. So many reps of that. I mean, that's dozens of reps, dozens of times that you put things down, pick them up, and restart. That just eats up time and really, just leads to a longer process. Well, with this Cerakote ceramic coating, I took the entire driver's side of my vehicle and coated it all in one shot before I came back to level the coating and remove it with the microfiber towels. That is something I've never even come close to doing with another ceramic coating. And in theory, means that I could coat the car in half, right? And that's gonna save me a ton of time. We'll see how that changes when the humidity rolls in during the spring and summer. But for now, Cerakote is onto something truly unique and special. I absolutely loved installing this coating, and I have been completely blown away by the ease of the whole experience. So by now, it's actually been a few days since I coated the WRX, but I wanted a nice day to get some final shots. And unfortunately, Long Island has had nothing but like rainy, cloudy, just like crappy days for I don't know how many days in a row now. But here we are finally with a half decent day, so let's wrap this thing up. Most coatings recommend that you wait 24 hours or at least overnight before you drive the car again. Well, this Cerakote ceramic coating has cut that down to only 2 hours. This means less time waiting before you can get back to enjoying your car again. And if you're a business owner, you've got quicker turnaround times for your customers, and you've just freed up space in your garage for the next one that much sooner. Win-win for everybody. And lastly, most coatings recommend that you wait 2 weeks before washing the vehicle. Well, Cerakote has cut that down to just 24 hours. Now, I can't see why anybody would want to be washing their car 24 hours after getting a coating, but it's just another example of how Cerakote has cut down times all throughout the coating process. I can't say enough good things about this product. Thank you to Cerakote for making this available. So far, it's made a great first impression. And don't forget to check out the links below if you want to go ahead and get this product for yourself. If you guys enjoyed this video, leave me a comment and let me know below. Don't forget to hit the like button. And if you haven't done so already, consider subscribing to the channel and hitting the notification bell, and you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. Once again, everybody, I'm Jesse from IN Aesthetics. Thank you so much for taking the time to check this out. I'll see you on the next one.